Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn 10 more words, including the revision of 30 previous words. Here, polyglot, portal, publisher, rendio, stopover, spendthrift, teetotaler, agnostic, atheist, and theist. These words you are learning today, and you are going to revise the previous words also, and please use them in your daily writings and also in conversations, and don't forget them. You revise them often and often. Okay, let us move. Hello, my dear students. Polyglot or linguist, a person who knows many languages. But according to books, linguist means a person, a professional in languages, in the science of languages. Multilingual is the other word for polyglot, a person who speaks more than 2 languages but used often for 4 languages or more. 3% of world population speak more than 4 languages, so 3% of the world population can be considered as polyglot. For example, P.V. Narasimha, our former Prime Minister of India, he knew 17 languages, so polyglot. Kamal Hassan speaks Malayalam, Kannada, Telugu, Hindi, Marathi and English, so he is a polyglot. Prakash Raj, the cinema actor, speaks Kannada, Tulu, Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu, Hindi and English, so a polyglot. J. Jayalalitha, the former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu and cinema actress, used to speak Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada, Telugu, Hindi and English, so a polyglot. Timothy Donner, a hyper polyglot. Paul YouTube channel he maintains, speaks over 20 languages, the most world famous polyglot at present. Pope John Paul knows 12 languages, so a polyglot. Papua New Guinea is the most multilingual country with over 839 living languages, the country with the most number of polyglots in the world. Portal is an impressive entrance to a building, to a city, to a country. So portal means entrance. So Brandenburg Gate, Berlin, Germany, it exists between former or previous East Berlin and the present West Berlin. Gateway of India is an example for portal. It is a portal for the country itself. It is now in Mumbai, India. India Gate in Delhi is a portal to the state Delhi. Buland Darwaza, which is now in Fatehpur Sikri, Agra, the entrance gate made by Akbar after his victory over Gujarat. So nowadays web portals are there. They are online portals. For example, Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, Jabong, Shopclue, Snapdeal, Paytm Mall. These are the online or web portals or entrances through which you can purchase or you can sell different products online. So you understand portal. Previously there were entrances, at present entrances plus online net. Okay. Next word is publisher, a person or company that brings out new books. Mostly the companies are the publishers, which publishes or which different kinds of books. Penguin, Random House, Hachette Livre, HarperCollins, Macmillan Publishers. These are the world famous book publishing companies. You can see the symbols also here. Next one, Jayco Publishing House is more famous in India. Next one, Rupa Publications. So this is also an Indian publishing house. Pustak Mahal, I know many of you know this, a publishing company. Yes, Chand Publications, a number of academic books are being published by this company. Rendezvous, it is an agreed meeting place and time. You can see the pronunciation, it is not rendezvous, it is rendezvous. Rendezvous RDV Annual Cultural Festival by Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. It is for 4 days every year. 200 plus events, 1,63,000 audience, 15,000 plus participants, 200 plus artists from 25 countries. This rendezvous is celebrated every year. Whatever the poster you are seeing, that belongs to 2019. Rocky Mountain Rendezvous in a Trapper jargon, annual gathering from 1825 to 1840, very famous gathering. It occurred by trappers of wild animals and mountain men who are selling furs and hides. So now it is not going on. It occurred 1825 to 1840. So Satyajit Ray and Roberts rendezvous is very famous. Rendezvous with Ray lesson. So they had agreed meeting place at Satyajit Ray's residence every Sunday by 9 a.m. So it is very important with respect to our lesson rendezvous with Roy. Stopover is a short stay between two places in a journey. So layover is another word which is used for stopover. When traveling internationally, a stay that lasts longer than 24 hours. With the stay, international flight journey which lasts for more than 20 hours is called stopover. For example, Reykjavik, it is in Iceland. This is the stopover when you make a flight journey from the United States to different cities in Europe. The red ring indicates the stopover. The same way, Tokyo is the stopover for the journey between Asian countries and the western coast of the United States of America. Here, Dubai is the stopover between the United States and several Asian countries. In the same way, New York was the stopover for Mr. Roberts when he traveled from Canada to Kolkata, that is in India. It is also very important with respect to your lesson rendezvous with Roy. You can see New York City, that was the stopover where he watched the trilogy, the Apu trilogy of Mr. Satyajit Ray in a single sitting. Yeah, in that lesson you will understand this. Okay. Next one, Kuala Lumpur. It is the most famous stopover for the people who are making journey between Australia and other Asian countries. You can see Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia in that red ring. Spend thrift. The word spend is there. Thrift means without any account. So spendthrift means a person or one who spends too much money. For example, Larry Ellison is the CEO, Chief Executive Officer, and co-founder of Oracle Corporation. You know this. He had spent $600 million to buy a Hawaiian island. Today, he owns 98% of Lanai. You can see that in the map, which is the biggest island in Hawaii. So this person can be called a spendthrift. Next, Rihanna is the most famous singer or artist today in American countries and also in other European countries. Also, she spends $23,000 a week simply for her hair styling. Madonna is a popular singer. She spends $10,000 per month for Kabbalah water. She drinks only that water. Owen Wilson is a popular Hollywood actor. He spends $3,600 per week only for tanning the skin. Sun tanning, for that he spends so much. These persons are called spendthrifts. Next, Beyonce Knowles has spent $1 lakh for a sparkling golden pair of leggings. You can see further she spends $1 lakh. So all these persons are called spendthrifts. Teetotaler is a person who abstains from taking alcohol. That means they never take alcoholic drinks or liquors. For example, Mahatma Gandhi was a teetotaler. Abraham Lincoln was a teetotaler. Amitabh Bachchan is a teetotaler. Deepika Padukone is a teetotaler. Sonu Sood, at present is very famous for his charity works during COVID lockdown and afterwards. So he is also a teetotaler. Next word agnostic. In a Sanskrit word nastika is there. So agnostic is a person who is not sure about the existence of God. He may believe or he may not believe God, but he has a faith in some supernatural power. But he is expressing doubt about the existence of God in a materialistic sense. For example, Confucius, the Chinese philosopher, is said to be an agnostic person. In the same way, Jawaharlal Nehru was an agnostic person. Bhagat Singh, an agnostic person. Satyajit Ray, the famous Bengali filmmaker, was also an agnostic according to Rendezvous with Roy in our lesson. So in the same way, the world famous Indian or Bengali economist, Nobel Prize winner also, Amartya Sen, is also said to be an agnostic. How learned that agnostic person is the one who has a doubt about the existence of God. But atheist, here theist means one who believes God. Atheist, means no, not a believer, one who doesn't believe in God. He totally rejects the existence of God. For example, Arudra, the famous Telugu writer, was said to be an atheist. In the same way, Jyoti Basu, the former chief minister of West Bengal, he ruled the state for a number of years, also said to be an atheist. Subramanyam Chandrasekhar, a world famous astrophysicist, American Indian scientist. He was also an atheist. Kamal Hassan is also an atheist. M.K. Stalin, the opposition leader in the state of Tamil Nadu. He is the son of former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Karunanidhi. He is also said to be an atheist. Agnostic means one who has doubt about the existence of God. Atheist means who doesn't believe God. Theist means one who believes a God. So, for example, Hindus are called theists. Muslims are theists. Christians theists. Sikhs theists. Buddhist theists. Jains are also theists. Theist means who has a faith in the existence of God. Agnostic means one who has doubt about the existence of God. Atheist means who doesn't believe God. Theist means one